We're almost at the end of this year's DevOps Enterprise Summit. We want to give one more shout out to our sponsors before we wrap up because they're such an important part of our community. Thanks to IT Revolution for bringing us this fantastic DevOps Enterprise Summit event and getting this amazing community together. A huge thanks to our premier sponsor, LaunchDarkly. A big thank you to all our virtual BFF sponsors. Thanks to our virtual Good Friends sponsors. And thanks to our media sponsor for helping us share this community with the rest of the world. Thank you so much to all of our sponsors for being friends in our DevOps journeys over the last 3 days. Reminder, we have the videos available in the video library. All the plenary talks and the breakout talks are available to you now. The slides for the talks are also available for download in the video library, linked to each talk. Another reminder that as part of your registration, you have personal access to the video library for 14 days, not 7. We increased it because we wanted you to have more access to the valuable videos. If you want access longer or to share the videos with more people, we've created some options to make it easy to do that. Check out Slack for more info. Now, the reason we're sharing all these videos and slides with you is because we want you to share them with others. We want you to share the videos. We want you to share the slides. We want you to share sponsor swag and prizes. And most of all, we want you to share your learning and your stories from the summit with the people you work with. And, speaking of sharing, we want your session feedback. You know what I'm going to say next. Feedback is a gift and sharing is caring. For the last 3 days, we've been talking a lot about community. That's what this is all about. It's the spirit of the DevOps Enterprise Summit to get together, to go faster as a community. And there will be other opportunities for us all to get back together and go faster again, because we all have a need to connect, to share, and to learn. We have the DevOps Enterprise Summit in Las Vegas in person in October, and then the Summit US virtual in December. We're so excited to get this community together in person later this year. Until then, be well, stay safe, and we'll see you, hopefully in person, sometime real soon. Take care, everybody.